Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren has termed dishonesty among security personnel in some section as unfortunate. The Chief Minister has asked the army to take steps to trace a 56-year-old man who has been missing since November 25th from Leimakong Army Camp. Laishram Kamal Babu went missing from the 57th Mountain Division campus of the Army, and an FIR has been lodged with Sekmai Police Station over his disappearance. In a video release, Chief Minister N. Biren urged the authorities at Leimakong Army Camp to take responsibility for finding out the man. Speaking further, N. Biren informed that Sekmai MLA, Dingo and members of a Joint Action Committee JAC formed in connection with the missing man met him and discussed the matter. A memorandum addressed to the Prime Minister was submitted to him by the residents of Loitang Kono and surrounding areas. They demanded immediate rescue of the missing man and sought punishment for perpetrators. Chief Minister N. Biren also alleged that there are signs of lack of transparency and uncertainty among a section of security personnel in Manipur. The state government has conveyed the matter regarding the disappearance of the man to the army authorities to take a lead role in finding the missing man.
Laishram Kamal Babu, Hariba, Mio Sigi, Ako government Saitagi, Nan Hektabuga, Koyam Kana, Marina, army officers, Adagi police, Mayam Torokanda, even center the IB that I from Kangalakanda, Hariba, Misibu. Kanana boy ko yam kanu honori live activity ngasi phawda magi whereabouts se khangbangamdri maraksida Leimakong gi army camp sigi da sangbada mogi entry exit ki ma sign tawbagi lay gate to da haibani pasi entry tawgibagi yaure aduna highway posi mogi within the campus hoi taro matung mangi banina makoina madugi phangnuna ba thibada madugi responsibility si makoina measure share lobum thoi haidana ikoi government side ki sum koi da koi khangan gi ba leikre do yam nungai tabadi Manipur da leiriba security personnel sing aduga public sing gi matak da ikoi si transparency and sincerity pukchen iseng sengna da badona tawbugumba mainly security person group khrada masi yam laibak thibani makoi da yamna equally manana yenghanba I feel the way, Amadana Hena Toba, Amadana Hena Toba, Loibak, we have some section Karada. Yamamashi, I'm seriously, Madam the security campus Manung about the Shakur or Tragedy. Missum Prazas, you can be having a single Soikoina, Marilla, never sing up with Kran Program, Uning Pata Viraga Hariba, situation, observe Toxi, Kutpunda Timinashi,